Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I want to show you this beautiful marble and gray tray I did for my bathroom. I showed this on TikTok and Instagram and they're wondering how I did it. So I'm going to show you briefly how I made this tray using materials from Home Depot and Michaels. All right guys, let's get started. Now these are the materials I'll be using for this tray. Now the handles and the silicone I got from Home Depot. I got the mat from Amazon and everything else came from Michaels. Now for this tray, I'm going to use my own design. I did get 100% silicone I got from Home Depot. And also you want a silicone mat so you don't have your tray stick to the mat. To clean up your mat or to change the design, I'm using just warm water and a little bit of dish liquid. For the base of the tray, I'm using Deco Art white gloss enamel and also some white alcohol ink. Now for the metallic and the rose gold, I decided to use spray paint straight in the container. This is not mixed with resin. Now make sure you don't use too much of the enamel acrylic paint because it will make your tray bendy and it'll take longer to cure. Now for this process, I decided to try something new. Once I put down my paint, I decided to use a plastic fork to break up some of the lines. Here, I'm just using a couple drops of alcohol because the alcohol sort of separates the paint. It'll make a different type of design, or it'll add this thing called cells, which is like little circles. Now, when it comes to your handles, if you don't want your handles to sink directly to the bottom of the tray, so what I do is just let the resin just cure for about an hour, and then I place my handles. I add my top glass piece to make sure no dust or debris goes into the resin as it's curing. Now, the curing time for your resin depends on your resin. So what I do is wait for it to be halfway cured, and that way I can peel off the sides of the silicone. As you can see here, my resin is still not quite cured because it's still a little bendy, but it's enough for me to cut off the extra residue I got from the silicone mold. Now for the edges of my tray, I decided to use these gold leaf flakes. Now this is a very difficult to do, guys, so I suggest just getting the pen that is rose gold or the paint, and you get both products at Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, that's it. After your tray cures for about 24 to at least 48 hours before you place anything on it. So this is the final product, guys. So this is where I can put my jewelry or my makeup on, and I'll keep this in my bathroom. All right guys, it's your Mooregirl, and I just want you to see quickly how I did this beautiful marble and rose gold tray. All right guys, it's your Mooregirl, and I'll see you at the next video.